Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and welcome back to Heaven for Health. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies with one very special herb, basil. You might know basil as a delicious culinary staple, but it also packs some serious health benefits. We're uncovering the science behind this ancient medicinal powerhouse and how incorporating basil into your life can lead to big changes in your well-being. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by talking about what makes basil so unique. In the world of natural remedies, basil is a rock star. Known as the Queen of Herbs, basil has earned its royal title thanks to its incredible versatility. This herb is jam-packed with antioxidants, essential oils, and vital nutrients like vitamin C, magnesium, and calcium. Antioxidants are your body's personal defense squad, fighting off harmful free radicals. Basil comes loaded with an arsenal of antioxidants ready to fight those free radicals head-on. Basil also brings its A-game with essential oils like eugenol and linalool, which have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Vitamin C helps boost your immune system, magnesium regulates muscle and nerve function, and calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth. With this impressive resume, it's no wonder basil has been revered for centuries. Now let's dive into the specifics of how this queen of herbs can improve your health. 11. Let's talk about your immune system, the incredible internal defense network that's constantly working to keep you healthy. It's like having a personal army inside your body, always on guard. A strong immune system is your best bet against colds, flus, and other infections. It acts as your first line of defense. Basil is like a secret weapon, providing your immune system with the reinforcements it needs to stay strong. This humble herb is packed with nutrients. Remember those antioxidants we talked about earlier? They are crucial for your health. They play a key role in boosting your immunity. Antioxidants help your body fight off harmful invaders. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, which is essential for maintaining good health, supporting a healthy immune response. This means your body can respond more effectively to threats. Basil is a veritable goldmine of antioxidants. It's one of the best natural sources you can find. But it's not just the antioxidants that make basil an immune-boosting superstar. There's more to this amazing herb. It also contains compounds like eugenol and cineol, which are powerful in their own right, which have potent antimicrobial properties. These compounds help keep harmful microbes at bay. That means they can help fight off bacteria and viruses, giving your immune system an extra edge. It's like having an extra layer of protection. Adding a few fresh basil leaves to your meals is a great start. It's an easy and delicious way to boost your health. You can sprinkle them on salads, stir them into soups, or even add them to your favorite dishes. You can sprinkle them on salads, stir them into soups, or even blend them into smoothies. The possibilities are endless, or even blend them into smoothies. This way, you can enjoy the benefits of basil in a refreshing drink. For a soothing and delicious immune-boosting drink, try brewing up a cup of hot basil tea. It's a perfect way to relax and support your health. Try brewing up a cup of hot basil tea. Enjoy the warmth and the health benefits in every sip. Let's face it, we live in a stressful world. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your physical and mental health. That's where basil comes in, your secret weapon in the fight against stress. This incredible herb has adaptogenic properties, helping your body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Basil combats stress by regulating cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels can lead to anxiety, insomnia, weight gain, and a weakened immune system. Basil helps bring those cortisol levels back into check, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. It's like hitting the reset button on your stress response. Basil also boosts your mood with essential oils like eugenol and linalool, which have calming effects. So, the next time you're feeling stressed, reach for some basil. Whether you brew a cup of calming basil tea, diffuse some basil essential oil, or simply inhale its soothing aroma, this powerful herb can help you find your center. 12. From the common cold to more serious respiratory issues, our respiratory systems are under constant attack. Every day, we encounter pollutants, allergens, and pathogens that can compromise our breathing and overall health. Before you reach for over-the-counter medications, consider turning to nature's remedy basil. This humble herb, often found in our kitchens, holds remarkable healing properties. For centuries, basil has been a go-to remedy for respiratory ailments. Ancient cultures revered it not just for its culinary uses, but for its medicinal benefits as well. This powerful herb possesses potent anti-inflammatory and decongestant properties that can help soothe and open up the airways. Its natural compounds work to reduce swelling and clear congestion. Basil acts as a gentle but effective expectorant, helping to loosen and clear out mucus from the lungs and nasal passages. This makes it easier to breathe and can provide relief from persistent coughing. This can be especially helpful if you're battling a cold, flu, or allergies. The soothing properties of basil can alleviate symptoms and promote faster recovery. Basil also acts as an antispasmodic, helping to relax the muscles in the airways during an asthma attack or bronchitis. This can provide much-needed relief during respiratory distress. Basil's impressive antimicrobial properties help fight off bacteria and viruses that can cause respiratory infections. Its natural oils are effective in combating harmful microorganisms. To support your respiratory health, add fresh basil to your meals. But for respiratory issues, basil tea and steam inhalation are where it's at. These methods ensure you get the most concentrated benefits. To make basil tea, steep a handful of fresh basil leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. This simple preparation can be a soothing ritual to incorporate into your daily routine. For steam inhalation, add a few drops of basil essential oil to a bowl of hot water, drape a towel over your head, and inhale the steam. This method can provide immediate relief from congestion and breathing difficulties. We've all been there, that uncomfortable, bloated feeling after a meal. It can really put a damper on your day, making you feel sluggish and uneasy. Before you reach for over-the-counter antacids, consider turning to nature's remedy basil. This aromatic herb is not just a culinary delight, but also a powerful digestive aid. Basil has been used for centuries to aid digestion and soothe digestive discomfort. Ancient herbalists and traditional medicine practitioners have long recognized its benefits. This incredible herb is a digestive superhero, working its magic in several ways to keep your gut happy and healthy. Its natural compounds help in various digestive processes. Basil helps stimulate digestive enzymes, which play a crucial role in breaking down food so your body can absorb nutrients efficiently. These enzymes are essential for a smooth digestive process. By giving your digestive enzymes a helping hand, basil can help prevent indigestion and bloating. It ensures that your meals are digested properly, reducing discomfort. Basil also acts as a carminative, reducing gas and bloating. This means it helps expel gas from the stomach and intestines, providing relief from that gassy, bloated feeling. Basil's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe inflammation in the gut, helpful for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. It can calm an irritated digestive tract. To support your digestive health, add fresh basil to your meals, especially heavier dishes. Its fresh, peppery flavor can enhance a variety of dishes. Sprinkling fresh basil on pizza, adding it to pasta sauce, or incorporating it into salad dressings can make a world of difference. These small additions can significantly improve your digestive health. For an extra digestive boost, try brewing a cup of soothing basil tea after meals. This simple habit can help you feel more comfortable and aid digestion. So there you have it, the power of basil. This humble herb is a true testament to the incredible healing power of nature. From boosting your immunity and fighting stress, to supporting respiratory health and aiding digestion, basil is a true multitasker that deserves a place in everyone's wellness routine. Start incorporating a little bit of basil into your life each day and experience the transformative benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to Heaven for Health. Let us know in the comments how you use basil in your daily life.